The latest and advanced Faber OTG 34L is designed to deliver the perfect baking experience. Using the upper and lower heated coils to cook meals and thermostat to control the temperature. This OTG ensures the food is cooked and heated properly. Top button on the extreme right panel is of function which has 4 modes: off, rotisserie, convection, rotisserie plus convection. Button 2 is the temperature control button, which has a range of 100 degree to 250 degrees Celsius. Button 3 is the selector button. It has 4 modes: off, upper heating element, lower heating element, and both upper and lower heating element. Button 4 is the time selector. Time can be set to a maximum of 60 minutes. Rotisserie function. Preheat the oven while you fix the whole marinated chicken or paneer tikka on the skewer. Once fixed, place the rotisserie in the slot on the right first and then on the left. Select the function control, temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. Select the upper and lower heating elements and time to 40 to 45 minutes. The lights switch on and the chicken begins to cook. Crispy and roasted chicken is ready to eat. Convection bake. While you prepare the batter for the muffin, preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Put the ingredients in the bake pan and place the bake pan on the middle wire rack. Regulate the button 3 at lower heating element mode. Set the temperature to 180 and timer to 35 to 45 minutes. When finished baking, lights inside the OTG go off, signaling that the muffin is ready. Use gloves to take the baking pan out and enjoy the dessert. Delicious pizza can also be baked in the OTG by setting up the same process. Convection broil. Preheat the oven while you prepare and marinate the fish. Place a butter paper on the grilling rack and put the fish on it. Place the tray in the middle rack. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and timer to 30 minutes. Choose both upper and lower heating element. After 30 minutes, check the fish. It is ready to relish. One can even grill veggies and enjoy that crispy delicacy anytime. Bring home the advanced, technologically superior, multifunctional OTG for all your cooking needs and enjoy baking, toasting and grilling as a superstar chef.